Hey traders, good evening all. Nifty Wizard this side. Uh, Welcome you all to the weekend episode of trade plan for the week. Upcoming week, and what stock idea I'm looking for next week. Coming week. So let's get into the video. So what Nifty did last week? It just resisted around 15900. It got a sell off towards 15650, which was the expected zone. On Friday it just opened a gap down. It started scaling down. It took a support and then it came towards the previous day's close. Then it closed just flat. Okay, so this is what happened on Nifty. If you take Bank Nifty, the same case. It took a resistance around 35,800 level. It took resistance around 35,800 level. It started scaling down, and if you see, it took a support around the zone, just went up and closed flat. So what are the levels I'm looking for coming week, and what is the expectation from market profile front? Okay. So if you see a good trend day, on expiry day, so here if you see, and none of the previous TPO high is being taken comfortably. Okay, none of the previous TPO high taken comfortably without the last minute covering. So here again it went down, it took a support and it scaled up. The reason why I said on Clubhouse the other day not to short at the lower side is because of that. If you see, this is where market took a support. This zone is where market took a support and started scaling up. So even though the context is bearish, you should not short or chase shorts at lower side. Why? Because these are the zones where psychologically the guys who missed out will try to enter. So the reason why I said not to short on this zone is because of that. Though the context is bearish from previous day, but zone is not a better zone to initiate a short. People often forget this. People, what they say, a previous day market fell, now I am going to make even more bigger points, so I will short. So what they do is they forget this zone and they will just give importance to only this move, and they make a loss. So I always advise, where things are happening, you need to watch it out. Where things are happening, you need to watch it out. Don't bluntly go and take a trade. Is that a fair place to make a short? Just see that whether it is a fair place to take a short, go for it. So here I had a plan not to short here. I may short here, or in case if I want to short at the lower, let this show me a sign of momentum. On pullback I will short for this VPOC comfortably, rather shorting here without knowing what is happening. So these things you need to always keep in mind. Where things are happening is more important. Okay. So coming week, 15,600. Okay. This level is very important. This 15,600 VPOC level is very important. That is of 21st July. That is very important. So the likely range is 15,800 to 15,600, at least for the first Monday and Tuesday. So at least for the first 2 days, I'm expected ranges 15,800. 820. So keep this 15,820 and 15,600. In case Monday, if you open somewhere here, if it rejects the higher side, if it starts scaling down, I'm looking to short for 15,760 and 15,740 as the target. If this 15,740 breaks, then 15,700 will be the target. So what it is going to do, if it is a gap up, if it rejects, I'm looking to take a low risk short here until this 15,820 not takes comfortably. Bears will come for a strike. So any gap up for me is a juicy short in case if I see a rejection. Okay, if there is no rejection, if this takes out, okay, I will wait. I won't chase it, because this time we have a room to test 16k on the upside. So that room will be shown by more momentum and more kind of acceptance in this 15,850 or 860 zone. Okay, but the better trade idea I'm looking for is, if any sort of rejection happens here, any sort of rejection happens in this zone, I'm looking to short for this and this as the target. Okay. Or even they might come and test this as well. Okay. But for all this we need momentum. This is the plan for Nifty. For Bank Nifty, again we need to cross this zone. Okay, again we need to cross this zone comfortably. So 35,700, this zone need to be crossed comfortably. Any open here, and if he rejects here, I'm looking to short for 35,330 and 35,230. Okay, this will be my trade idea. And if that breaks 3500, we are all set to test this 34,930 VPOC level. On the higher side, we need to cross this 36,000 mark. 36k round number, we need to cross it. Okay, until that I see bears keep everywhere and attempt the short. So this HVN mark, this zone is very important. Okay, watch this zone. In case if gap up holds, if we break 35,700 and as well as if we break 35,800, just see whether we are holding this 35,800 mark. In that case, if 35,800 holds, then we are on for 36,200, even 36,500 this time. There will be a good short squeeze, but it will take lot of time. It won't happen just like that. Okay, unless there is some news getting up or setting up. So these are the plans for Bank Nifty. And on OI front, if you see, so if you see on OI front, the highest call open interest is 15,800 and the highest put open interest is 15,700 as of now, Friday's close. So probably the shift might happen towards here or towards here. So as of now, the range is very tight within this 100-point range. We need to watch how this or this builds up on a Monday. So nothing on OI front. on Nifty. So the stock idea I'm looking for on indexes, one thing is Tata Steel, because Tata Steel, if you see, this is very close to a level where the sell-off had happened previously. Okay, very close. This is where the sell-off happened previously. This is where the sell-off happened previously, and we rightly closed here. So I will be keenly watching how price reacts here. In case if it closes comfortably above 1275 or say like 1280, then any pullback this week I love to buy the stock, okay, with a very minimal stop loss below 1220. Okay, in case if the stock breaks out, comfortably this zone on the pullback, I will be buying. I will like to keep a stop loss below this, and I will look for a target of 1325 or even 1350. Okay, but in case if it doesn't crosses this and if this fails, okay, that will be a good shot as well as for say like 1180 levels or even this, okay, 1160 levels. So this is the one stock idea as of now I'm looking for, and the next one is SBIN. Okay, SBIN, yeah, this is where SBIN is taking the support from this zone. Okay, this is where it started moving up. In case if SBIN resists somewhere around 430 or 435 level, I like to short the stock with stop loss above 437 mark in case I want a rejection here. So my targets would be 420. Okay, so these two stock ideas I am looking for next week. So any updates on this, whenever I take, whenever I feel like, whenever I initiate a trade, I will just put it on my Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for now, and thank you so much for spending your time and watching this video. A heartfelt gratitude to you all, and if you like and enjoying the content, kindly hit a subscribe button and like the video and share it with your trading friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely support. Catch you all tomorrow morning. Good night.